NMC releases NEET UG 2026 syllabus covering biology, physics, and chemistry. AI Data Science leads India's most opted courses in 2025. CTET registration 2026 CBSE reopens applications window from December 27. NTA may introduce facial recognition to strengthen security in JEE NEET exams. Bhutan, Morocco seek offshore IIT campuses as India expands global education footprints. Hello everyone, welcome to Education News Network. I'm Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: the National Medical Commission (NMC) has officially released the NEET UG 2026 syllabus on the website, outlining all the topics for physics, chemistry, and biology. The syllabus remains aligned with Class 11 and 12 NCERT curricula, ensuring exam-focused preparation for medical aspirants. Biology is divided into botany, zoology, covering diversity in living organisms, human psychology, genetics, biotechnology, and ecology. Physics spans mechanics, thermodynamics, electricity, magnetism, optics, modern physics, and experiential skills. Chemistry includes physics, organic and inorganic sections with key areas such as chemical bonding, equilibrium, hydrocarbons, biomolecules, and carbon compounds. Candidates are advised to strictly follow NMC notified syllabus. The NTA is yet to announce a NEET UG 2026 registration and exam dates. In 2025, Indian students increasingly chose a blend of traditional emerging courses reflecting changing career aspirations and industry demand. While medicine, engineering, and management remained popular, newer fields such as generative AI, artificial intelligence, data science, cybersecurity, semiconductors, and web design saw sharp growth. Generative AI emerged as the biggest trend, driving a rapid global adoption since ChatGPT's launch, with investments rising nearly eightfold. According to the World Economic Forum, India records over 3.6 million Gen AI enrollments, the highest worldwide. Nearly 60% of global digital learners came from India, with many being mid-career professionals. The trend highlights a shift towards lifelong learning, continuous upskilling, and technology-driven careers as India strengthens its role as a global digital talent hub. The Central Board of Secondary Education will reopen the CTET 2026 February application window from 11 a.m. on December 27, 11:59 p.m. on December 30, 2025 at the website. The one-time facility is for 1,61,127 candidates whose registration remained incomplete were not converted into final application. CBSE clarified that no fresh registration will be accepted during this period and no further correction opportunities will be provided. The 21st edition of CTET saw 25,30,581 applications between November 27 and December 18. CTET is a national level eligibility test for teaching class 1 to 8 in central and recognized schools, conducted twice a year by CBSE. The National Testing Agency is likely to introduce facial recognition technology for major entrance exams such as JEE Main and NEET. Officials from the Education Ministry said the move aims to enhance security at examination centers and curb impersonation. Earlier this year, the Unique Identification Authority of India (UDAI) conducted a pilot of Aadhaar-based face authentication during NEET UG exam at selected centers in Delhi, which showed promising results. Following this, NTA issued notices asking JEE Main 2026 aspirants to ensure Aadhaar details are updated, as candidate information may be verified through UIADI authentication. A committee led by former ISRO chief K. Radhakrishnan had also recommended biometric measures to protect the integrity of the entrance examinations. Bhutan and Morocco have approached the Union government to explore settings of offshore campuses of the Indian Institute of Technology. Officials said that India currently has two overseas IIT campuses, IIT Madras, Zanzibar in Tanzania, and IIT Delhi, Abu Dhabi in UAE. A third offshore IIT campus is proposed in Western Africa to be hosted by Federal Government of Academy in Saleja. To support such expansion, the center constituted a 17-member committee chaired by IIT Council Standing Committee Chairperson Dr. K. Radhakrishnan, which submitted its recommendation in 2022. IIT Madras began operating in Zanzibar in November 2023, while IIT Delhi's Abu Dhabi campus was inaugurated in September 2024. Meanwhile, IIM Ahmedabad has opened its first international campus in Dubai.